If the EPS, electric power steering warning light, appears on your dashboard, it means the vehicle has detected a problem with the electric steering assist system. EPS replaces traditional hydraulic steering with an electric motor and control module that helps turn the wheels smoothly. When the system detects a fault, it may disable the steering assist and turn on the warning light. The vehicle is usually still drivable, but steering may feel heavier than normal. Try these. 1. Restart the vehicle. Turn the engine off, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, then start the car again to clear temporary electronic glitches. 2. Check the battery and charging system. Low battery voltage or weak connections can trigger EPS warnings, so ensure the battery terminals are clean and tight. 3. Inspect steering wheel movement. Turn the steering wheel fully left and right while the engine is running to help the system recalibrate. 4. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for EPS or steering related codes and clear them after fixing the issue. 5. Drive the vehicle briefly. Drive for several minutes so the steering control module can recalibrate and reset the system.